Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stick Moribo. Welcome to Global Sound as part of Clayton Festival 2021. Monash City Council acknowledges the traditional owners of the land we're standing on, now known as Monash, and pays respect to the elders, past, present, and emerging. All our artists are world-class and come from all over the world: Africa, Sri Lanka, Torres Strait Island, and here in Melbourne, Australia. As this is an online event, we invite you to connect virtually in 2021 with your family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like you to enjoy Global Sounds as part of Clayton Festival 2021 online. Please enjoy.
Ibanile, alala ibalatelo. Kobanine, ibanine, alala ibala delo alala fama ya lele iyo ibala delo Kosanu me magoro felambetila na folo me magoro felambetila le Kosanu me magoro felambetila Pare bagobo felambetila Iyo jalo jere Maria mai jalo jere Alala jalo jere Maria mai jalo jere Aluma alubala delo alala fama yale iyo ibala delo Amam Mario ijalo jeri Mariama ijalo jeri Ay ijalo jeri Mariama ijalo jeri Alala ijalo jeri Mariama ijalo jeri Alala ijalo jeri Mariama ijalo jeri Alala ijalo jeri Mariama ijalo jeri مساخولي أنا مساخولي كازعلي مساخولي بري مساي وعلي اللي بري مساخ عليك بر عقلي تعمل كامو يحدق يدو صحادي غخم دهادر عنده اللي ليلى 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 كانت عليه تنسى تنسى تعخوينا ميو قصة مريتو
I am blown away by the performance and by the instruments. Can you tell me the origins of the instruments that you had on stage today?
Yeah, we are also happy. I'm happy to be here, Stick, to be, with you, online in terms of the festival at Clayton. The instruments, the first one that we can see, this one here, is called Senko, which is from Ethiopia. And it's a very old instrument. I mean, I think it's as old as they come, basically. I'm not able to really place it in age, but it's an ancient instrument. And it uses just a single string. Very haunting instrument. And then the next one is a calabash.
Yes.
That Kofi was playing from Ghana. Kofi is an amazing percussionist as well because... Stick, if you ever want to do music or want to do poetry or want to do anything and you want somebody steady, get coffee.
Get coffee.
Yeah, get coffee. But don't drink coffee at the same time, because that would be a mistake. And then the next one that I was playing is called the Mbira Kalimba. But what I was playing is a Kalimbira, which is a kalimba from, you use your thumbs to play, the instrument. It's also another very ancient instrument that comes from Africa. In terms of age, I won't place it.
Okay.
You can tell that I'm trying not to be controversial when it comes to that.
Yes.
And then the last one, but not least, is what's called a Kamale Ngoni, a young man's harp. Played by Aboubacar from Mali. It's a beautiful haunting instrument, as well. And all of them combined,
yes,
they make a beautiful sound. I don't know what you thought.
I'm blown away. Like I said before,
you find yourself like now I'm going to speak strictly about for myself. I've been in exile for a long time. I was in exile during the time of Mandela being in prison and all that. And so you're dying to go back home, and all you can try and find is like what instrument comes from home that I can just soothe myself and soothe my yearning for home.
Yes.
And the kalimba, the kalimbira, is one of those instruments.
It's a soothing sound. It's a beautiful piece. I had to come around the back to have a look at what was really happening. Couldn't see very much. But yeah, I love the sound.
Thank you.